Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like you're living someone else's life? That who you are isn't who you're meant to be? Good, because awareness is the first step to transformation. Today, we break the chains of your old identity and begin the journey to your true self. We grow up with labels. You're shy. You're not athletic. You're not good at math. Little by little, we wear these labels like a second skin, until one day they become our reality. But here's the truth most people never hear. Your identity is not fixed. It's flexible, malleable, programmable. You are not a final product. You are a process in motion. Science backs this up. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself, proves that we are capable of massive inner change at any age. But first, we have to challenge the lie. That who you've been is all you'll ever be. Every day you repeat your past, you deepen your programming. Every excuse, every limiting belief, every "this is just how I am." It's not truth, it's comfort. But comfort has a cost. Comfort kills potential. Comfort keeps you stuck in the familiar pain rather than risking the unfamiliar breakthrough. It's like living in a prison with the door wide open and still choosing to stay inside. If you want to become the person you're meant to be, you have to risk letting go of who you used to be. Identity isn't just who you are, it's who you believe you are. And your beliefs shape your behavior. If you believe you're lazy, you act lazy. If you believe you're not smart, you avoid challenges. If you believe you're a failure, you'll unconsciously sabotage your success. Here's the cycle. Belief gives behavior, gives reinforcement, gives identity. The good news? You can break the cycle by hacking the loop. Start by acting like the person you want to become. Even if it feels fake at first. Even if your inner voice screams, "This isn't you." Because guess what? That voice is outdated, and outdated code needs to be rewritten. Ask yourself this: who do I want to become? What does that person eat, think, do, say, believe? Now, here's the magic. Start living as if you're already that person. Not perfectly, just consistently. This is not fake it till you make it. This is embody it until you become it. Your brain doesn't know the difference between real and vividly imagined experience. So give it a new narrative. Start casting votes for the new identity. Every workout is a vote for "I'm healthy." Every deep work session is a vote for "I'm focused." Every boundary is a vote for "I respect myself." Here's how you rewire your identity day by day. 1. Identity affirmations. Speak as your future self. I am disciplined. I am consistent. I follow through. 2. Visual rehearsal. Spend 5 minutes daily visualizing yourself living that new life. 3. Environment upgrade. Surround yourself with people and spaces that reflect your future, not your past. 4. Micro wins. Set small goals. Prove to yourself, one step at a time, that change is happening. 5. Detach from the old. You stop introducing yourself as your past. No more "I'm just lazy" or "I'm not a morning person." Your words are programming. The moment you commit to the new identity fully, life starts rearranging to support it. You don't have to be perfect to evolve. You just have to be intentional. Break the cycle. Earn the labels. Step into the identity that matches your destiny. Because the future is waiting for the real you.